This is your wire. They run the electrical wire through a hydraulic hose, and it's two electric wires goes in here, and it runs your motor, and runs your pins for unhooking the buckets. It's not the greatest idea, it ain't the worst idea, but this skid loader is only a little over a year old, and this one's already worn through. Got a new one here. Want me to send the old one back to make sure it wasn't neglect or whatever. But the wire runs along here and it goes up along the arm. It's just held onto the pipes here by zip ties. So I'm gonna go tear this thing apart quick here and get it so I can take the bucket off again. So all right, let me get at it. Here's the new one. I was going to show you that quick. Get out of there. This runs the wire there through that hydraulic hose. And yeah. I don't know if it was just a poor rubber or poor whatever it was. Should last longer than that. You'd think anyways. It's still coning her up pretty good there. And keep her from anything getting moisture in there and stuff. So it's not the first one I had replaced. Alright, let's get at it. Alright, first thing you gotta do, I gotta take these, there's 3 bolts here on the bottom, and there's 2 bolts right there on the other side, and you take this cover off. You're gonna cut that zip tie off. You pull this cover off, then you can get in there where the plug-in is. Then you can take this nut off from the inside, pop that out. Alright, got this bottom cover off here. There's a bunch of feed. Probably can't see it. Got packed up in here in the corner here. It's supposed to just fall out of these holes here. But I didn't even notice that. Got wedged in there pretty good. Get that all cleaned out quick. Plug is right up in there, so plug it quick, pull it out. This piece here now, there's 2 washers. You just slip them through this hole, then you bring it up here and then you tighten it down. And you can adjust the angle where you want it. So I'm gonna stick that in there quick. They made this plate. They should have made it a little differently. I had a heck of a time getting it in there with it on, so what I did is you can tighten it up, from down here. So I just slipped it back off and then slid this plate in here and then got this tightened back up. So I gotta take this bolt off here. The clamp holds it on. It's in a 15mm. Everything on these skid loaders is metric, so. But yeah, just plug it in. I just gotta put these 3 bolts back up in here. Take this off, pull the zip ties off and plug her back in and see if it works. There, I gotta lower the arms down. Put them zip ties off up there. Plug her in. It seems to fit all right up in there. All right. All right, I got it threaded up. You kind of got to weasel it around these. Let's plug in here. Up through by this along the cylinder, your tilt cylinder for your bucket. And you just plug her in. You do this one-handed. All right. Oh yeah. Works. All right. That ready to go. Now I can switch buckets. Well, maybe they're useful for somebody someday wants to fix on a 324G skid loader. It's just your wire, electric wire replacement for your quick attach. So not a real big deal. So I don't know. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. See ya.